Felicidade, the street of happiness over here. Let's go check out and see what this is all about anyways. It's totally different than the other Felicidade. I'll tell you all about it in a minute and why it's so different. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So Felicidade is, this one is in Taipa. There's another one in Macau. I'll explain it in a minute. But over here is the graveyard, and over here is like a big row of auto mechanic shops. And then there's more of the graveyard straight on that hill. And everything behind this is, and over there as well. And then there's some factories, so you can see the emissions coming over this one. But what we're going to try to do is follow the Felicidade in Taipa. And we're going to walk straight down and try to see if we can get to the water or not. And I'll also explain why the other one is, why it's so kind of funny that it has the same name. Because in English, Felicidade is a street of happiness. And in the Macau side, there's a street of happiness as well. And that one is very, very famous because for years, that one was the street of prostitution and hookers and sing-song girls and things like that. So that street was filled with bars, and maybe I think some opium dens were up there too historically, and definitely these little like geisha centers. But yeah, this street of happiness looks quite a bit different. Looks like that, and now you can see a lot more of the all of the graveyards. And it looks like we can walk straight down this street. Little alleys. This is kind of cool. There's two of them. There's one on that side too. We're gonna keep on walking though. Huh. What is this? Looks like an apartment, but it has it's strange. It has gates on the lower floors and none on the upper ones. And on this side, looks like it's just some kind of historical building. I don't think we're going to be able to get too far, but we're definitely going to check it out and see this main road. And then, oh, it looks like we're definitely not. It looks like there's two main roads, so these are the roads that going to go to Macau. We're in Taipa right now. So we'll just see what we can see when we get to the end, but I don't think we can get to the water anyways. This is some kind of corporate building of some kind. Felicidade again. So that's the beginning and the end of it, right there. Then all this traffic here is going to Macau side. So it's about 6 p.m. on a Friday evening, and then as you can see, this is also like some other, maybe a factory or something. I can hear kind of industrial equipment. And then right here it says Macau and then Taipa Centro. So if you're on this side, you can go into Taipa. We're in Taipa now, but this goes into the middle of this island. I guess you can call it. Macau is the peninsula. So all that traffic is going to go down that way. Looks like some kind of factory right there as well. Anyways, that's what the Felicidade on the Taipa side of Macau looks like. Oh. Got all these factories, and up here, straight ahead, it's kind of interesting too. They have this big rooftop on that side as well, with a guardrail. But yeah, now you can get this straight view of all these gravestones up there. So anyways, I guess we'll end it there. A little bit closer, I zoomed in on this camera, and it's maybe you can see the gravestones a little bit better, like this. But anyways, they're definitely up there, and they kind of go up and down that hill. And there are some apartments that are on this other side of this hill to the right from me. And a lot of people don't want to live there, so the rents are a lot lower there. A little bit afraid of the spirits, I guess. But anyways, this is Felicidade, and maybe it's a little bit interesting to see the Taipa side as well. Alright. So I hope you all enjoyed it. And we're just gonna go all the way down. This is this apartment building right there. And this is directly straight ahead. So, okay.